Hey, what's going on? This is 𝐬𝐳𝑟 with Birdtown Fitness. I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to prevent the kettlebell from slamming on your wrist. So what I'm going to do, you get the kettlebell. Most time you'll see people pick up the kettlebell and they'll swing it and it'll slam them on the wrist, okay? I do have my bracelet on here. I'm going to take this off real fast. Quick tip. 2 steps. Have the kettlebell just like this on the floor. So it's like perpendicular to your body. And then when you grab it, okay, most of the time people just grab it and it flops. So if you grab it and you open up your hand, it's the open up the hand that's going to make it the smooth transition right here into the pocket of your bicep. So what you do is you grab it, normal grab, open your hand, and it just automatically just shifts right there. It's like just perfect. So you get it, open your hand, and then push up. You can hold it tight at the top. You can leave your hand open. It's not going to go anywhere. And when you come down, you can grab it like a grip, bring it down. Come up, open your hand. See how when you open it, okay, I'm grabbing it like this, and I'm opening it. So it's grab it, open your hand, and it slides in perfectly. And it'll prevent that slamming around. Pick it up, just like this, perpendicular to your body. Come up, open your hand, bring it down. Open that hand up. It's like a little cradle right here, a little cradle. All right?